Hello, welcome to OCC Math Seminar session. Today's learning objective is simplified expression with integers. So what happens when there are more than two numbers in an expression? The order of operations still applies when negatives are included. Remember my dear Aunt Sally? Right, so let me write that down. Order of operation, my dear Aunt Sally. So that means multiplication first, and then division, and then addition, and then subtraction, right? So let's try some example. We'll simplify some expressions that use all four operations with integers. Okay. Remember, we need to follow the order of operation. For example, I want to simplify 7 times -2 plus 4 times -7 minus 6. So according to the order of operation, I would have multiply the first, right? I have done the multiplication first. So multiply multiply 7 times -2, 7 times -2. That will give me -14. 4 plus 4 times -7, the two are different sides, so the product will be negative. 4 times -7 is -28. So that means it's plus minus 28. And then minus 6. And then minus 6. And now we add. -4 plus minus 28, that means -4 minus 28, right? So that means it's going to equal to negative. So let me show you what I'm doing right here. I'm trying to combine the two numbers. -4 plus -28 is -32. And then bring down the -6. -32 minus 6 is -38. So your final answer, should have equal size here. The final answer will be -38. All right. How about you try a problem for yourself? Again, order of operation. Let me do it in red here. 8 times -3 is -24, right? So that means -24 plus 5 times -7. 5 times -7 is -35. And then minus 4. -24 plus -35 is -59. Minus 4, -59 minus 4 is -63. Let's take a look at another example that involving power. Okay, so the first problem I have -2 parentheses to the power of 4. So if I would expand this expression, I would say it's -2 times -2 times -2 times -2 4 times. Right? So that -2 parentheses to the 4 power, that's what that means. You write -2, the product of -2 4 times. Right? And then you multiply each of them together. So if I have -2 times -2, that's give me +4. Right. And then another -2, another -2 times -2 here, that's another +4. And 4 times 4 is +16. What about problem B, -2 to the power of 4? But here you notice that there's no parenthesis around the -2. So this mean if you watch my video previously, when you have a negative in front of a number, we usually don't write the -1. Well, I'm going to write out here for you. This mean is -1 times 2 to the 4. So the power of 4 does not apply to the -1, right? So let me expand this. So this means -1 times what? times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 4 times. Right. What 2 times 2? 2 times 2 is 4. And another 2 times 2, that's 4. Bring down the -1. So -1 times 4 times 4, that'll be -16. -16. So be careful when you take power to some number, to some negative number. If it within the parentheses, that mean the power applied to the negative. If it without the parentheses, that means there's -1 times that number to a certain power. Okay. All right. Let's try this one for yourself. Okay. Similarly, problem A, I have -4 parentheses to the 4 power. So this means -3 times -3 times -3 times -3, 4 times, right? Because the -3 and then it's being enclosed by that parenthesis to the 4 power. That means the power applied to the negative as well. -3 times -3, that's +9. Yeah, right there. And then the last -3 times -3 is another +9. 9 times 9 is +81. Problem B, I have -3 to the 4 power. If I was you, I would rewrite it as -1 times 3 to the 4. Right? So that means -1 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, 4 times. -1 times 3 times 3 is 9. And then another 3 times 3, that's another 9. -1 times 9 is -81. For the next example, it's remind us to simplify inside the parentheses first. So when you have an expression and they ask you to simplify that expression, the rule here is that you simplify inside the parentheses first. For example, I have 12 times -3 times the quantity of 9 minus 12. So subtract in the parentheses first. I have -9, I'm sorry, 9 minus 12 is -3. Right? And now apply the order of operation. 3 times -3, that's -9. Right? So here I have 3 times -3, that's give me -9. Give me -9, right? 12 minus -9, I mean, become a positive. A 2 minus become a positive, right? So 12 plus 9 is +21. All right, let's try this one. I have 17 minus the minus 4 times the quantity of 8 minus 11. So this is, I'm gonna do the subtract in the parentheses first. So right here, 8 minus 11 is -3. So I'm rewriting this. 17 minus 4 times 8 minus 11 is -3. Right there. -4 times -3 is +12. So that means it's equal to 17 plus 12. Right. Product of two negative numbers, or it's product of two same size number is positive. 17 plus 12 is 39. I'm sorry, 29. It's 29. Let's take a look at a different example. I have 8 times -9 divided by -2 to the third power. So the rule here is that you going to simplify with the exponents first. Okay. So -2 cube. Remember, -2 is what you write out because this with parentheses. That means it's -2 times -2 times -2 3 times, right? -2 times -2 is +4. So the first two here give me +4. And then times the -2, 4 times -2 is -8. Therefore, we have a -8 here. Now multiply 8 times -9. Next, we're going to multiply 8 times -9. 8 times -9, oops, I want to highlight. 8 times -9 is -72. -72 divided by -8. Remember, divide two same sign number. The product is positive, right? The two numbers have the same sign. Even though it's negative, they both negative, but it's the same size, right? So they have the product, the quotient. I'm sorry, the quotient has to be positive. So the final answer is +9. Let's simplify this problem. First, I'm going to simplify the exponent first. So -3 cubed, -3 cubed. Let me write out here. That means -3 times -3 times -3. -3 times -3, that's +9. And then multiply to the last -3 is give you what? -27. Right, so let me rewrite down here. Maybe I do two steps at the same time. So that -27. So this one right here is -27. -27. Let me highlight right there. 12 times -9. 12 times -9. The product of two opposite side. The product of the two opposite side number is negative. 12 times -9 is -108. Yes, -108. So down here is -108. Let me highlight it in blue. And then we divide. So -108 divided by -27. Products must be positive. If you plug in your calculator, you get, see what we get. -108 divided by -27, I have +4. All right, I think that's all I have for today. Thank you for watching.